Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. So what makes Flare unique? It's the novel protocols that allow the Flare network to operate as a layer 0, while also offering functionality to act as a layer 2 for other networks. It's very impressive, and here's a short clip of Hugo putting it so eloquently.
What's unique about Flare is that it has, unlike a traditional layer 1, which is essentially a siloed blockchain, and then has like oracles on top. If you think about those oracles on top, those oracles can never harness the decentralization properties of the network itself. They have to create this decentralization external to the network. And really what we know, and what is very abundantly clear, is that it's only really blockchains that are really great at creating these decentralization properties, having validators, having nodes, having APIs, having token holders, having a security model. So an oracle that sits on top of a blockchain that tries to do this, really doesn't have anywhere near the chance of being decentralized or as secure as building that into the blockchain. So the real, true, unique feature of Flare is that the communications protocols are built into the chain. So you can think of Flare almost like, layer 1 is a stratum, and it's something that everyone understands. But Flare can also operate as a layer 0 and as a layer 2 to another network. So kind of Flare has this nice stack of protocols which allow it to kind of be multifunctional.
This really is something that excites me. The Flare network is a pioneer of its kind and focusing on interoperability and connecting everything via the blockchain of data. This is going to allow other networks to make use of these novel protocols such as the Flare Time Series Oracle and also the State Connector. Interoperability will be a huge focus moving forwards. Flare Network is bashing down these walled gardens and leading the charge. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you have not already. Enjoy the rest of your day, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.